Clifton Middle School is a STEM magnet campus that's helping students get ready for high school, college, and careers in science, technology, engineering, and math. We visited 2 science classrooms, one in 6th and one in 8th grade, to see how teachers are building a strong academic foundation and supporting student growth from the moment they start at Clifton to the moment they leave.
So with 6th grade, we're really building those foundational steps that they already caught in 5th grade, but we still want to build that knowledge so that way when they get to the 8th grade star, they can meet and they can master all of those TEKs that are combined. 6th grade is really more of experimentation and learning those foundations about all the different types of disciplines of science, where there may be life or physical or even experimental, in a sense of actually having them hands-on learning in the lab, and then virtual labs too in this new day and age. So it really allows them to gather more computer skills as well and really have like a well-rounded way to really think critically about science and apply it to everyday knowledge.
And once students reach the 8th grade, science teacher Monica Bailey continues building on that solid foundation.
Kids have this desire to want to know how things work and how things go, and they have a lot of questions, and to them science is more like intriguing about like how things in the world works. Like we just finished forces, we talked a lot about like car crashes and safety and like helmets for sports and things like that, and so it's just bringing examples to them that they want to know and asking them questions about like what they want to know, kind of make it more relatable to them.
Yeah.
And then just like hearing they're like, whoa, that's how it works, or your cabin missed, that's not true, and like showing videos and experiments on like how yes, it is true.
Science isn't just a subject at Clifton Middle School. Here, it comes to life.